Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your app data is not clearing. So for example, when I am going to clear my Facebook app storage data, so the cache is clearing but the app data is not clearing, as you can see guys in my screen. So many time I am trying to clear this but the app data is not clearing. If the problem is same on your phone, you can try this method. Go back here, you can get one option, force stop. Just tap on it and forcefully stop this. Okay, now open the storage usage. Now clear the app data. Now it will clear your app data. Still the problem is same. Go back, open the permission and enable the all necessary permission of this app, and then go back and close the app from the recent menu and restart your device one time. After restarting, open your phone settings once again. Go to apps, go to apps management, find out your app like Facebook, open it, go to storage, clear the data. Still the problem is same. Open the Play Store and here you need to search your app, and if the app update is there, you need to update your app. Open it one time and then you need to log out your app. If you are using Facebook or any other app, you log in with your ID password, you need to remove it. Once again, open your phone settings. Now try to clear your app cache, app data. Now it will 100% fix your problem. Still the problem is same. Last solution is this guys, you need to uninstall your app and reinstall it. So this will also help you to clear your app data. So these are the easy and simple method to fix this kind of issue on your Android phone. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.